everyone, Zach Paikoff here, and welcome back to another lesson video. Today, I will be showing you how to create a stem and leaf plot. So let's jump right into the video. Okay, so you might be wondering, Zach, what is a stem and leaf plot? Well, I'm glad you asked. A stem and leaf plot is a special table where each data value is split into a stem, which is the first digit or digits, and a leaf, which is usually the last digit. Alright, so below here, I have an example stem and leaf plot where we are given the numbers, which are 30, 31, 34, 36, 38, and 39. Okay, so the stem right here is the 3, and we are given the first number right here, which is 0, and that correlates, which means that this number is 30. And we need to figure out the other numbers above, so we're going to write 1, and this becomes 31, 4, that becomes 34, 6, this becomes 36, 8, that becomes 38, and 9, which is 39. So in a second, we will be doing an IXL, which will combine this, what we just did, into a stem and leaf plot, and we'll be putting our reading skills to the test. So let's try a few stem and leaf problems together. All right, so this first problem reads, the employee at the department store counted the number of ties on each tie rack, and the ties per rack. Here are the ties per rack. So below here, we are given the numbers 22, 26, 28, 29, 31, 33, 36, 38, 38, 39, 45, 47, 47, 53, 54, 54, 55, 56, and 59. And it says, use the data to complete the stem and leaf plot. All right, so right here, we have the number 2 for the stem. And we have a couple numbers above on the ties per rack to fill in for this stem and leaf plot. So for this leaf, we're going to fill in 2, and this becomes 22. 6, this becomes 26. 8, this becomes 28. And 9, this becomes 29. All right, so that's this leaf done. So 3 is done for us, and now we have to figure out 4. So if we look up here at the stem and leaf, at the ties per rack, we are given the numbers 45, 47, and 47. So if we put in 45, 5, this becomes 45, 7, this becomes 47, and 7 again. This becomes 47. And below here, 5 is already done for us. So this is the completed stem and leaf plot for the ties per rack. And that is how to solve this problem. So let's move on to another one. Okay, so this next problem reads, a veterinarian weighed all the dogs that visited his office last month. And as we can see here, the dog's weight is listed in pounds. So we are given the numbers 5, 19, 20, 37, 45, 57, 69, 73, 77, and 85. Okay, so the first 2 are done for us. The stem is 0, and the leaf is 5. The stem is 1, and the leaf is 9. All right, so this one is the only one that we have to fill in. And the number above here is going to be 20, so it's going to be 2 for the stem and 0 for the leaf. So it looks to me that this was the only one that we needed to fill in for this stem and leaf plot. So this is the completed stem and leaf plot for the dog's weight that was listed in pounds. And that is how to solve this problem. So let's move on to the next one. All right, so this next problem reads, Rachel counted the number of peanuts in each bag of trail mix. And the peanuts per bag are 51, 57, 63, 64, 66, 71, 73, 76, 78, 79, 81, 82, and 84. All right, so the first one is done for us, which is the stem for the numbers that are with the 5, so that's 51 and 57. Okay, so for this stem, this is going to be the 60, so it's going to be 6 for the stem, and we are given a couple numbers to fill in for this leaf. So we have the number 63, 64, and 66. And the last 2 are done for us. So this is the completed stem and leaf plot for the peanuts per bag. And that is how to solve this problem. So I'm going to be doing a couple more with you guys. Okay, so this next problem reads, for a science fair project, Tiana tracked the temperature each day. All right, so these are the daily temperatures in Celsius. So we are given the numbers 2, 7, 8, 9, 13, 17, 20, 20, 24, 25, 29, 30, 34, 35, and 36. And below here, we have to figure out, we have to figure out 2 stems and 2 leaves for this problem. So the first one is done for us. We have 2, 7, 8, and 9 for this leaf. Okay, so below here, we have to figure out the next leaf, which is going to be the tens digit. So it's going to be the tens digit right here, which is going to be 1 for the stem. And we are going to figure out the leaf. So if we look up again here at the stem and leaf plot, the daily temperatures, we are given the numbers 13, so that's going to be 3, and 7. Okay, so that's this table done. And now we have to figure out the ones for the 20s. So the stem is going to be 2, and we're going to be looking at the numbers above here. So we're given the numbers 20, 20, 24, 25, and 29. So it's going to be 20, 20 again. This will be 0, 0. Then it'll be 4, 24, 5, 25, and 9 for 29. And the last one is done for us. So this is the completed stem and leaf plot for the daily temperatures in Celsius. And that is how to solve this problem. So I'm going to be doing one more with you guys. Alrighty, so this last problem reads, Professor Huber informed her students of their scores on the midterm exam. Alright, so if we look here, these are the midterm exam scores. So it's 1, we are given the numbers 1, 5, 10, 10, 16, 20, 29, 31, 44, 45, 49, 49, 52, 53, 54, 60, 62, and 63. And if we look below here at the stem and leaf plot, the first 2 are done for us. So the stem here is for the 1 and the 5, and the stem here is for the 10, the 10, and the 16. Okay, so we have to figure out this table. So that's going to be for the 20. So we're going to plug in 2 for the stem, and if we look up here at the midterm exam scores, we're given only 2 numbers to fill in for this category. So it's going to be 0, and this will become 20. And we're going to plug in 9 for here, and this will become 29. So that's this table done. The next 3 are done for us. So these are the digits that fall within the 3, the 4, and the 5. All right, so this last part of the stem and leaf plot for this table, we're looking at the 6s. So if we look here, this is going to be 6 for the stem. And if we look above here, we're given 3 numbers that fall within this category. So this is going to be 0, which will become 60, 2, which will become 62, and 3, which will become 63. So this is the completed stem and leaf plot for the midterm exam scores. And that is how to solve this problem. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. If you did and are a new member to my channel, then please be sure to leave a like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe as well. I would greatly appreciate it. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye!